It's working.
Let's go here again. ping right?
Yes.
Because it's not the real kernel, you know. Wait.
You can use this.
Why?
Still that really working.
What? You see here your pin is working. Not sure. Okay. Just try on your computer and see if it is working or not. Just a pin and then the host name. What? Ah, that's why, because there is a problem with the internet.
Yes. I found that we can show for the graph. Sorry, for the graph we can show the line number with with -n.
-n.
And you will show the line number for the graph.
Let's check it. So grep and then for example say hello and -n, right?
Yes.
And then say the file name, right?
Yes.
/h
Just txt.
txt.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's line number 1. It's useful.
Yeah. Okay, you should try this networking as well. Then the process this one is really important. So PS. So PS give you back all the processes running like currently. Okay. In the background, yeah. If you say top, no top. You want to kill as well. You can kill the process. For example, you will see one by one something shut down. Okay, if I kill 1991947 something will, let's kill like 1948. Okay, no such thing because I killed it already.
You say kill then start.
Maybe.
No, it can be. it will be dangerous. Kill star.
I think there is a command to kill everything. Let's see. Let's search.
With A?
How to kill all the process. So they say PS and they having this thing, and if you say process AUG, what is this AUX? AU means showing the process for all users. U means display the users who is using the process, and X means show the process without this. Let's run this one. But I don't think in any cases you want to kill all the process, right?
What type of process?
PS AUX. Yeah. What?
What type of process is it?
So these are the process like this terminal is running. This is a process. This browser is running. This is a process. So these are the process that showing here. The process ID, UUID is this. The command is this, and where it's running. Being there, this is bash. This is mint.
In the Windows, it's be equivalent to task manager.
Yes. Like in the task manager, if you go here, it's the same thing. These processes are running.
This is process. That's process.
Yeah, with task manager you can end process if they're not responding. You
Yeah.
can use.
Yeah, you can use this also.
You can use this also.
How do you identify like the process is. Like
You have to know which UUID is that. But since it's a Windows and you are using like Bash, that's why it's not showing everything properly, I guess, right? Even if I delete, for example, kill, let's say 197609, you see, no such file. Let's say, oh, I was wrong, sorry, it was 1820. It killed my bash, you see, it killed my bash. So let's go and open the bash again. So this is a very interesting. Go and destroy your computer, please. Okay, no worries, don't worry, destroy it and remake the Windows, no worries.
As long as you don't destroy the hardware, it will be fine.
Yeah, it will fine. So go for it right now. Go mess with the process and network and search, and let me know if you have any question. Go for all the commands right now.
You can destroy the computer with that.
What?
These are your computers.
Yeah, he said that as long as you don't destroy the hardware, it will be fine.
Okay, that's not mine.
Yeah,
These are going to kill the hardware.
no, I think not.
Yeah.
Right.
It will destroy the software, yes, but hardware,
Go on.
it will be hardware. That's a way, but I think not with kill or PS.
Are you guys understanding? You understand? It doesn't need internet.
The one that need internet is only in network, so you can try the other one.
Yeah.
When you hit PS Aux, you see 3 to 4
Mine
different
is
sets
working,
of
man.
code. Which code should you enter to kill one?
Yeah, this one.
First one.
This is PID actually.
Okay, it's working now.
Yeah, it's working now. If you say double, why it wasn't working before?
Maybe because it's still trying to connecting, I don't know.
This is PHP, HTTPS. Wow, it doesn't work with that, you see? Yes, it doesn't work with HTTPS because HTTPS doesn't, it's a secure. Yeah? And let's say HTTP. No. So it's Google, man.
That's not
It's because HTTP is a protocol and Ping is not using protocol HTTP, it's using TCP, so it's not
TCP.
working.
So if we
It's
say cruel,
networking, it's not networking stuff, dude.
if we say cruel, www,
Well, if you call, of course
it will fork everything, right?
Yeah, it's called.
Okay, cruel. Okay, CURL, right? Come on. CURL or yeah.
Wow.
Well,
What's behind the Google?
yeah, you see, we just take all the Google codes here.
No, it's not. It's only the one that saw
Show in the browser. Yeah, the HTML.
the one that behind it is very complex.
Yeah, I don't think so. The bot is very complex.
Is this the code for Google?
Yeah, for the Google content, the HTML.
It's the same one when you open Google and in the browser and click open source, open the source.
Yeah, the inspector. For example, you can.
Yeah, the image is using the page, using
So-
the SVG, is it? The
So-
image.
What?
The image, the logos on the Google's not using image, but it's SVG.
Yes. So if I create here like nano my site, nano and write something. Let's X. Can I pull that one? Host my site. I have to put dot.
Yes.
It's called correct.
Should not be so fast. No, man, because core use protocol and
Yes, it doesn't have a protocol. We have to have a server.
Install SAM or WAM or server.
Let's make a server now.
Okay. You can create it with Node.js.
Yes. So ser.js. So I can say require HTTP and then how you say create what? Tell me quick. Why I'm doing fun? Because it's live as well. Okay guys, do you have any problem? We'll make the server in another day and we'll try. Yeah.
You can make servers in
Yes, in the Node.js is all about servers. Servers, APIs, RESTful API. We'll make the full servers. We'll serve everything. We'll learn databases, servers, front-end, back-end, everything. You'll see. And server part is my opinion, you know, my specialty. I'm really not good at like front-end. So you guys don't have any questions, right? Okay, you guys know about your homework. Now you know the basics shell commands as well, right? Do you have any question about Git? Let me also install, download the Git cheat sheet for this 7 months. Wherever you study, stick it in front of your eyes. Okay, this one and the Git cheat sheet. I'm going to give you the Git cheat sheet right now. Wait. Yes, this is what I have been looking for. Let me download to the desktop. Let me paste it in Slack as well. Why he lost the streaming? Streaming is going on. Yeah, are you there? Okay, let me put. Where is the Git one? Yeah, here you go. So I will print it down, print it next time, and I will give you in your hand as well. So these two things you should always repair whenever you get stuck. So let's go through this Git as well. Okay. Is it visible? I put it on Slack as well so you can repair. So here you have the complete guidance how you should operate Git. Okay. Here they are saying GitHub provide desktop client that including a graphical user interface, the most common repository. We don't want that. We don't want that, the graphical interface. So let's start with the configuration. So before you do anything, you have to configure. We all know, right? And some of our computer, the red color and green color is not shown. So if that is the case in your computer, if it is not showing like the red color and green color when you say get status, then you have to run this command. Okay, so this is all about the configuration. Before you go to the Git, you have to run this configuration. Okay, you do it for once and the rest of your life will be that. Cool. So how you create a repository? You say git init and the project name, right? You can clone a repository with the git clone. Are you guys? Do you guys remember this clone? Okay.
I did this. I clone a file.
Yeah, you can clone the full SHA repositories, like full your homework and other things. Okay.
Try to push it again. Then I go to my repository and install.
So refactor the file names. You can delete the file from the working directory and the stages relation with the rm and the file name git rm. So you are messing with like now the Git itself, the software and tracking. If you say git rm the file name, it will be not tracked. It will be not tracked. It will be shown like it is red. It will be not green. Okay, I would say go through that thing and have questions, and we're going to discuss in the next class. Okay, most of these we covered in the last class. The Git checkout, Git merge, Git log flow. We don't cover this one, but we write Git log, and we haven't covered the Git defer. Git shows is the same that show you the commit. You go through, you make a Git file and try those commands. Okay. Git commit. We covered the reset and reset hard, right? To go back to another bookmark. We didn't cover the git pull, right? So good git pull is like up to date. We're going to cover in next class. I think today is good. Thank you very much, guys, and see you on Wednesday. And try to study the git commands and the bash, because from next Monday we're going to start JavaScript, and in JavaScript these things are very much needed. And as you know, like you guys have to complete like week 2 homework until Wednesday, and from Wednesday to next Wednesday you have to complete the week 3 homework, right? So week 2 is about the flex box, and week 3 is about to make a website the way that is on that GitHub. Cool. Ask me any question whenever you find a problem. Okay.
Can we change the homework when we push it in the...
Yes.
Because my
Yeah.
homework is very bad.
No. Go and change it.
Okay.
Thank you.
But we have the IO out. Because that was one thing.
Yeah.
visa.
Yeah.
Was there any arrangement with visa related for
I really
I know you are super.
sorry.
In the mobile you should want to. In the mobile not to go. No, in the mobile you want.
The first one is one.
Ah, so now you have to match with the flag.
Thank you, Vishu. And I remember the design.
Go with the flag words. And it will work. Stop the last thing.
Okay. Thank you everyone for watching.
But to be honest, I would say